Thomas US, and this time I do it the other way around. I show you how a car could be after 11 years. So this is my Roadster called Fuel Sucks, and this was the first Tesla I bought, and at that time you be a king when you bought that car. I even had the chance to talk to Elon Musk, but I thought he was too busy and I didn't use the chance. I talked to the IT guys there instead. But I'll show you what we did with the car in order to improve it more.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Here at a nice golf course in our neighborhood, and this belongs to the community building there. And I'm using this parking lot especially on Saturdays or Sundays because it makes a nice picture. Now, we did a lot of things on the car, but what Thomas did for me, and I'm going to show the videos after that with Thomas. But we had always the issue of that this piece here turned into yellow. This is the only piece what with a painted car comes in clear, and it turned into yellow because the clear coat after years turned to yellow. Then also was always, they had an offer that this piece or some of the pieces here in front could be in carbon. They actually are in carbon, but they're overpainted. So, and also the rear spoiler, that's the same way. And I had to have a refresh for the nano coating for the car, and that was done from Thomas as well. So the awesome thing is, and now I switch the camera. So the awesome thing is that first of all, yeah, you know that one, I put an LED light here on top of the rear spoiler that I'm better seen. And we changed this one also to carbon fiber foil. It's almost invisible, but it looks really nice. Then he also did refreshed the nano coating for the car. And this piece, and that was not easy, this turned into yellow, and now it shows yellow, but that's the sun. But we, now let me put myself in the shade here. So we over taped it or over foiled it. So this is the original, what you see here. You see the original yellowish color from the clear coat. Yeah, I'm not worried about, but this one now looks much nicer. And this is a carbon fiber foil. And he had to do a lot of work to work on the curves here, but he did, and it worked out. Then the carbon fiber piece, what is always a carbon fiber piece, is this one. We made completely carbon fiber. So it's a carbon fiber foil. It's now two things. It looks carbon fiber and is a protection as well. So, and then you see here, this turns to become a carbon fiber foil. I think the car looks greater, so older it becomes. It always looks great, and I'm always happy to drive it every time. So it has over 113,000 miles on it, and Fuel Sucks keeps driving. I tell you that. And now we're coming to Thomas to explain you guys what he did and show some movies what he did and some pictures, and then we're coming to Thomas. Basically that was happening before. So we are back and Thomas is with me, and our project is finally done. It took a while, and also the foil to be delivered, and then you finally decided to buy a whole roll of it and not only partials.
Yep.
And it's really a good job. Now, what is carbon fiber now also looks like carbon fiber and is not overpainted. And it's really very nice job, as you guys can see. And also here, this portion of it, that was actually yellowish already.
Yeah.
And that's the clear coat turned yellow, right? And we overfoiled that, and now it's really nice. And also the rear spoiler is now overfoiled. It is all carbon fiber, but now it is foiled carbon fiber.
Yeah.
And then what he also did was he refreshed the coating, yeah? The protection coating there, or the ceramic coating, yeah. He refreshed the ceramic coating. So next step is we have to do the lights again. But it looks good, Thomas. Thank you very much. And more and more customers coming to Thomas to get his car specialized, detailed, and whatever. Customized, yeah. And you can even have a darker foil on the headlights or on the back, and so on. Say thank you very much, and if you want to know how, then contact Thomas, the Diamond Perfection Details, here in Tempe, Arizona. Alright, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you next time. Bye bye.